Hey there, it's Mr. Fusion 360 and in today's video we are going to make this compressed impeller using Fusion 360. So let's get started. So to make this turbine, make this compressed impeller, we will create a circle of 76 mm. The diameter is 76 mm and we will extrude it to a distance of 10 mm. That would be enough. And press OK. Now select the top plane and again create a circle of around 18 mm of diameter and extrude it to a distance of 30 mm. Now after extruding this, go to create, go to coil, select the bottom plane and make a diameter of 76 mm, and for the dimensions here you can see the dimensions over here. The diameter is 76 mm, height is 30 mm, pitch is 250 mm, angle is -10 degree and section size is 2 mm and operation is new. So let's apply it to there. Copy the height. Now to create a coil here, go to coil from the create drop down and make a diameter of 76 mm. The height would be 30 mm, the pitch would be 250 mm and the angle would be -10 degree and section size would be 2 mm and operation would be join or new body. Click OK. So now after making the coil, we have to project the 3D geometry of the coil. So choose any plane and just go to create, and this is project include, and you include 3 geometry, and the geometry would be our coil. So I've already done with this. So just hide the second body, or you can just rename it as coil. Now we have to create sketch on this plane. Select the sketch and press L for line, and from the origin to this point create a line. Now finish sketch, and again we will make a point on this plane and go to create, go to point and select the point as here, and if you would try to move this point, you'll see that it is not moving out of that circle, it's in the object. And now let's select this sketch and this plane and press D for dimension, or just that press D for dimension and select the plane first and press D for dimension and choose the point where it is. Now after making the point, select the point and the line, give it a dimension of 3 mm, select finish. Now after projecting this line, create sketch on any plane, revolve this and activate 3D sketch. Press L for line, select this point, coil, just summon this. Now go to surface, go to patch, select all. It will make a 3D object of that. Select the body and let's go. Turn off all sketches. Now from the surface workspace, go to create and go to thicken. Select this and select the direction as symmetry, and the distance would be 0.5 mm and operation would be new. Select OK. Now you can see it has made its blade. Now go to solid, go to bottom plane and make a circle there on the bottom plane, and deactivate the 3D sketch. Now the circle of 80 mm and press OK. Now we have to extrude this. On extrude or just E for keyboard shortcut and make it a distance of minus 12 mm and the operation would be join. Now create sketch on this plane. Create a circle of 20 mm and extrude this to a distance of minus 30 mm, and again the operation would not be cut, it would be joined, and let's go. Now we will add a fillet here, or you can see here the blade is just bisecting it, so you can click this place and hit extrude and extrude it to 1 mm, or you just again extrude your sketch and the direction, make it two-sided and the second direction 1 mm. Okay, for this portion the distance would be 1 mm and we have done. Now we have to add fillet on this edge. Just hit on F for the keyboard shortcut, F for fillet, and add a fillet of 8 mm, and make sure the radius type of your fillet is constant, not chord length or variable. Hit OK and you're done. Now we have to make it as a pattern like this. So go to create pattern, circular pattern, select features, and one feature would be this or thicken. One feature would be thicken and the second would be fillet, and select the axis as this, and the quantity would be 15. It would take some time. Now just make the body is visible, and because of some issue I'm having an error here, so let me just correct this. So I have corrected this, and the issue was I have not made visible the 4 plates. So I was thinking that there was error in making it circular pattern. So now it's normal. Now we'll create a sketch this plane, and I'm just making a hole and there are no dimensions for it. You can just make them randomly as I'm doing. Just make it I think let it be 10 mm and make a rectangle here to here. These, and we will extrude cut to it, and now we will add some appearance to it. Just hit A, the keyboard shortcut A for appearance, and like I have done here, I have made it blue, For example, I'm making it red using net red anodized glossy red. Before adding appearance, let's just combine the line with the target body, and tool bodies would be this. Line and A for appearance, anodized glossy red, and we have successfully made our compressed impeller. So don't forget to subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.